Hey homeowners! Got a small space but big dreams for your power tools? I got you covered. Let's dive into some top tips for organizing your power tools in tight spaces. First up, think vertical. Wall-mounted pegboards are game changers. Install one and hang your tools on peg hooks. It keeps them visible, accessible, and off your workbench. Plus, you can customize the layout to fit your needs. Next, invest in stackable bins and containers. Label each bin for different types of tools or accessories. This way, you save precious floor space and know exactly where each tool is. No more digging through piles to find that one screwdriver. Magnetic strips are another fantastic solution. Attach them to the wall or the side of your workbench to hold metal tools securely. It's a simple, effective way to keep your tools organized and within reach. Don't forget about undershelf storage. Install some hooks or small shelves underneath existing shelves to utilize that often overlooked space. It's perfect for smaller power tools or their accessories. Using a tool chest with drawers is another great strategy. Drawers help categorize and separate tools, making it easier to find what you need quickly. Opt for a chest on wheels so you can move it around as needed. Lastly, consider a wall-mounted tool rack for your bigger power tools. This keeps them off the ground and frees up space for other items. Plus, it ensures your tools are stored safely and securely. So, there you have it. With a little creativity and these tips, you can transform that tight space into an organized haven for your power tools. Happy organizing!